Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Hey there, welcome to video number 3. I know you guys are very motivated and want to digest entire content in one night, but hold on your horses. Now, before I jump into the nitty-gritty of copywriting, you guys really need to develop a mindset of a marketer. Now, what is a marketer mindset? Just try memorizing these two pictures that I have shown you guys in this slide. Here is a girl, she is looking at you and she is asking for you to something. Now you have called her, no, you cannot leave her as it is. Since you have grabbed her attention, she will be expecting something from you to deliver something. Okay, now consider this thing in your mind that your prospects, your clients are always watching towards you. If you have got their attention, now you will have to deliver them something. Do not get confused. Secondly, you are not the hero in this process of copywriting. Then who is the hero? Your heroes are your viewers. If you are writing a video script, your viewers are your readers if you are writing some compelling stuff. Now, memorize this picture in your mind. Now, this is the reader. This guy in the suit, this handsome guy in the suit is the reader. Now, he should watch his shadow on the wall like this. He should presume as if I am the hero, I am becoming the copywriter. Now there is a starting point and there is the ending point, and you are the one who is guiding that person in this valley of darkness. You are the shepherd actually. Okay, now you have to make your readers feel that they are the hero. This is the advantage and this is the end result that you should be seeking and you should be expecting after using my so and so product. Okay, now here is the question, here is the paradox between the quality and the perception. Okay, now most of the marketers out there in the market will be thinking that if I will make a killer product, only that is the way I could succeed in the market. Trust me, this is not the case, because marketing is not a war of quality, it is literally the war of perception. Now what do I mean by that? You see, there are some products who are not as that much expensive as some famous brand, but they taste really well. But do they win the war of marketing? The answer is a big no. No, they do not. This is because the marketing is a war of perception. They won't give a damn if Pepsi tastes good. No, despite the fact there is a certain mass of people who believe that Pepsi tastes very good, but this is the Coke who has won the war. You know why? Because they have won the war of perception. Same is the case with the iPhone. They have won the war of perception. You may disagree with this claim of mine that there are many other brands who work equally well as the iPhone and they are quite economical, but it is a fact that they have developed a perception in the mind of their prospects that iPhone is way better than any other phone on this planet. Now, since you have developed this thing in your mind that marketing is a war of perception, let me present you guys an extremely new concept, which is the modes of persuasion. So here are the 3 modes of persuasion. Now what is the modes of persuasion? These are the 3 elements that you can find in literally any content. Whatever I am speaking, whatever you are listening, whatever movement you do, involve all these 3 elements. These are the 3 reasons of doing anything. These are the 3 reasons of compelling any person, to convincing every person, to persuading every person on this planet. Comes up with these 3 elements: the ethos, pathos and logos. These are the Greek words which were first used by Aristotle, I think. Okay, these are the timeless concept, but I would not put some gibberish definitions of all these 3 elements, but I would present you what do they actually mean. The emotional appeal, the logical appeal and the personal appeal. Remember this short code EPL, the English Premier League, in your mind. EPL, emotional appeal, personal appeal and the logical appeal. Whatever content you listen on your television, whatever social media post you see, come up with all these 3 elements of EPL, emotional appeal, personal appeal and the logical appeal. Now what do I actually mean by that? Let me explain you guys with an example. Now look at this ad, for instance. Keep this ad in your mind. This is the ad of Head and Shoulders, the famous anti-dandruff shampoo, and there is Indian actress on that. Now keep that in your mind and I will tell you where are the EPL, the ethos, pathos and logos on it. Now first of all, the pathos, the emotional appeal. Where is the emotional appeal in that? You can see her hair are shining. Shine, the hair shine is there. Okay, now there is a smile on her face. Okay, the overall feeling of the product is that way quite positive. Okay, if you will see the visual ad, she will be walking with grace, she will have that confidence. All that confidence contributes to the emotional appeal of this ad. Now, where is the logical appeal? The logical appeal is there when they say that there is ZPTO in this a product. No, every famous brand will be telling you that there is ZPTO, and people don't give a damn what is this. Literally, I don't know what that means actually, but this is something, some chemical which is used to reduce the dandruff, and they have also written that the 100% dandruff will be removed. Okay, now this is something logic. They have put you with the fact and figure so that you could develop some credibility on their brand. Now, there is the ethos, the personal appeal. The personal appeal is done by the actor herself. No, she is famous actress, she is quite famous, the Kareena Kapoor. If you will get any random model from industry and you will put her in the Head and Shoulder ad, the impact of that ad will not be that much good. Okay, but they put the actress which was already quite known to you guys. No, this is a comparatively easier way to present your ad to the masses of audience, and people will put their trust on it that since so and so model is doing this, using this product, so why shouldn't we use this as well? Although we know that this is all drama, they are not actually using all that, but in a literal way, indirectly, they are presenting the fact that since we can afford to get Kareena, to get a famous celebrity in our product, we possess the power to penetrate in this market. We are a big brand. They are implicitly telling you all this. So this is how the ethos, pathos and logos are used in any ad. Now, just memorize these three terms: ethos, pathos and logos, the emotional appeal, the personal appeal and the logical appeal, and just turn on your television set, turn on that LED and start watching the advertisements, and watch that with a critical insight that do you really find some ethos, pathos and logos in that? Do tell me. This is your assignment. Tell me in comments, or just visualize any infomercial, any commercial in your mind that you have seen in your childhood, and just let me know if you could find the emotional appeal, the logical appeal and the personal appeal in that. This is Fahad Khokar and I will be signing off for today. Thank you. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.